my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to another edition of Holi-Details with me and PreWash Snow Auto Detailing. I am so excited that you're here for this truck, and two years, okay? This truck has been in the customer's possession for 2 years. Guess how many miles it has? I'm gonna tell you because there's no way for you to know. It has 118,000 miles. I am not kidding. In 2 years. 2 years, that's crazy. I think what's the average, like 10,000 or 12,000 miles a year driven? Whoa, crazy amount of miles. But for this, we're just gonna do the exterior. I don't have time to do the interior, and the customer doesn't either. So I'm just doing the exterior tonight, but it's going to be a sick transformation, and this is gonna be a beautiful addition to the Holi-Details. So let's go to work. As a total side note, carpeted wheel wells all the way around, which, and aftermarket wheels, not fuel, which is shocking because it seems like I've done so many fuel wheels lately, even on a side-by-side, a couple of them, which is crazy. But regardless, it's clean. As we are getting into the prep steps for the detail, you may notice that I've been doing a bunch of prep steps for the detail, prep steps for the wash, or pre-wash. I've been doing a bunch of these partial details, interior only, exterior only, and short videos. It's stuff that I normally do. I detail a ton, but I don't necessarily film them all because, I don't know, I just don't. I don't have time. It takes a lot of time to set up and film, and sometimes I just don't. So, but I've been doing it this now. I've been filming all of these because you, my epic viewers, deserve 25 days of Christmas detailing, which is what we are doing. So I'm filming them all. Two things about this particular ride. One, carpeted wheel wells. They all suck. I hate them. They really are the worst. Ooh, I'm not supposed to say that word. They're all the worst. Absolutely the worst. But also, two, the customer bought these wheels in Montana because they popped a tire, and literally in the entire town that they were in, there were no replacement tires for the one they had. They needed to come back down. They were working and they needed to come back down and were unable to. So they had to buy 4 new tires, it was super cheap. Oh, super affordable. Not at all. Let's pre-wash. Oh, this is gonna be sick. This is so dirty. This is why we pre-wash. Notice in this spot right here, that little fin has caught so much road grime. It's so gross. Let's rinse. Have I ever told you I hate hats? Hate. Now I hear what you're saying, or I hear what you're thinking, big dog. Why, if I hate hats, do I wear them all the time? Well, it keeps my hair out of my face, that's why. Let's go foam cannoning. Hand washing. So stoked for the decontamination. This white paint is just it's gonna pop. This is sick. Let's decon chemically with 3D iron remover. Remember that we do the decon, iron decon, chemical decon, because otherwise we have a lot of potential for scratching. My wall was dirty. Paint is absolutely thrashed. I'm going to be really, really careful so I don't mar it, but I'm going to use the I'm going to use Chemical Guys Clay Bar medium grade, and then use the shampoo as the clay lube. Final rinse, paint protect. Time to paint protect. Gonna use this 303 as a drying aid. It's a graphene product and it's solid. Easily one of the sickest exterior transformations I've done in quite a bit. This was completely covered. It looks, I know it's hard to see on camera, but it looks 100% different. This was sick. You are sick. Thanks, bye.